What's up, guys? Welcome to another GNCRC video. Alright guys, so you see it. Finally was able to pick up one. My shop got them in on, I think, Wednesday. Today is Friday. I'm just now getting a chance to get it because we had bad weather. Before I get into this, guys, I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited about this. Because back in the day, I don't know, 13, 14, 15 years ago, when the original AX10 came out, I thought it was the weirdest thing ever. I could not understand what they were doing. I was into going fast. I was in the airplanes. I was into actually racing on a race circuit, I guess is what you would call it. We were going from here to another town racing, and that's what I was into. I wanted to go fast. So when these came out, well, the AX10, when they came out, I actually missed the boat on the AX10. And you guys have seen in one of my older videos, I got one of my buddies, he still has his AX10. He actually has two of them. Before I unbox this, I'm gonna go over a few things. This, of course, as you guys know, 4-wheel steering, ready to run. This actually has a 2-year warranty. I never noticed that. Of course, you can get these in 2 different colors. I chose to get the orange. That is the green for you guys that hadn't seen them. I almost got the green today over the orange. Bearings, rock lights, durable skid plate, nice wheels, and we got the long 51mm shocks. The weight is about 203 grams, so this thing is really light. So I'm just gonna jump right into the unboxing. For this unboxing, I'm gonna use my handy dandy unboxing knife. I'll leave a link below where you guys can get your own handy dandy unboxing knife, or just a knife that you want to carry. Okay, so let's get into this. The manual, the batteries, the little tools, whatever, blah blah blah. First, USB charger. New radio, SLT3, feels really nice, but of course you guys know at some point I'll be switching this over to my DX5 or my Noble MB4. All right, the truck itself. This is what I've been waiting on. This thing is light, very, very light. Can't believe they got all of this in there and it's this light. This looks a whole lot better in person. Let's go ahead and take the body off. This will probably turn to magnets for me at some point. This little mount moves. I don't really like that, and I really don't like the Velcro. So that'll be one of the first mods I'll do. We'll get this changed over to magnet. This is the new receiver combo. Skid plates with the rock lights. Wish somebody would make these for our DX24s. You pull that to get to the battery. I will say, this thing is very springy, which I'm sure you guys have seen over and over. And the center of gravity is really high. These are the same stock servos that everybody complained about. Believe it or not, I had an AS1 on my Warthog. Never had any problems, but of course, once you add more weight, you're gonna definitely have more problems. Links, and they do look like they may be a little bit different. You can't really tell. Wheels and tires look pretty cool. Put a battery in the radio, power it up, and we're gonna mess around with it just a little bit. All right, guys, so we got it powered up, and first thing I'm gonna test is the steering. So all in all, guys, I will say out of the box, I am quite impressed with this thing. Can't wait to get it out on the course tomorrow and test it out. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC.